Hi YouTube. Okay, so I have a new camera and it's very interesting angles. You're seeing the top of my monitor. Just ignore it, okay? But happy New Year, happy holidays. Hopefully this goes out on the 28th. We will see what day it comes out. I'm a little bit late. But otherwise, let's actually get into it. I'm pretty hyped. Okay, that looks fine, I think. I hope. I'm actually gonna lower this just a little bit. Okay, that should be good. Oh, what is that? An eye? Is that like a nut? A bolt? Oh, it's an eye. What the heck is he, dude? Hippie. He really reminds me of a hippie I've seen in college. Let me just tell you. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. All right, so we're gonna skip past this. I love him! Maybe he just wants a friend to party with. He's giving me hard party rides vibes. Mans is motorboating his future. It's a little wild here. I don't know if I could trust him. I'd be like, excuse me? Like, you're gonna chop off my head? Like, what's going on? Like, you're locked away in this, like, iron cell, dude. I don't know. Aki's ballsy. Uh-oh. It's a trap! It's a trap! It's a trap! Yo. It's crazy because, like, I don't know if you guys saw him, like, touch his chin. He's like, you're my pet. And then Aki was like, no. You're my pet. And I'm just like, tell me more. Continue. The snake devil sword, the snake devil woman. Snake devil woman, the snake devil woman, snake devil woman. Okay, okay. The snake devil woman and who else? And the samurai sword. Oh, it's a samurai sword devil. Okay, cool. All right, so we know who they are, but I was like, we didn't really have like a name. Like maybe we did get names, but I couldn't remember the names because it has been 2 weeks since I've seen this. Okay.
そん時は俺は先生を殺さないで見逃してやるよ。ああ。俺を強くしてくれたからな。これでもっと悪魔を殺せる。そうすりゃマキマさんとランデブーや。
Okay. Yes, love that for you. Okay. I love it. Oh, this is a surprise. I just want to say, I feel like the reason Himeno died, if Makima knew about it, is because like maybe she got jealous that Shinji like kissed Himeno. I don't know. Like, I don't know. She gives me like very like jealous vibes or whatever. Very like controlling of. No, did I say Shinji? I meant Denji. I don't know. Denji. Not Shinji! I don't know why I'm thinking of Evangelion. But anyways, that's hilarious. But, I don't know. Like, he's saying that she knows. And I'd be surprised if she didn't know, to be honest. I feel like she's insanely cunning. And if she knew, like, where every character was when we did see that one cutscene, like, I'd be shocked. Okay. Oh, it's the sword guy again. Getting bitten? Mm-hmm. Those zombies? Oh. It's cool that Chainsaw Man has devils, curses, zombies. And also I really like that they went full circle with episode 1 and then the zombies are back. Well, obviously, like I guess the like last episode he did mention his granddad, but it's cool that he's still like, that's kind of crazy. I don't know, this is kind of crazy. I like it.
世界中の人間をうん百万人殺したやつには勝てるとでも
I feel like this guy's gonna die because he doubts
実は俺た
himself.
ちも銃の悪魔にめちゃくちゃにされた恨みで公安来ました。弱いくせに漫画の主人公みたいな目標を掲げて痛くてサボイボ立つわ。
It's funny.
ほら、立っとるやろ。
立ってへんわ。
Can you see them? Sure can't. Wait, what is he talking about?
立ってへんわ。
痛くてサボイボ立つわ。ほら、立っとるやろ。
立ってへん。
Oh, he's talking about his goosebumps. I'm like, what is he talking? I was like, can you see them? And I was like, are the zombies out? And I was like, oh, just kidding, goosebumps. So dramatic.
俺の前でごちゃごちゃ言わないでくださいよ。
Same, Aki, same.
あんたは黙って見てればいい。俺が負けて死んだその時に笑
I have a feeling they're gonna die. I can see them dying.
アキくん、
Just kidding. Is that a Coke?
君のことムカつくけど応援しとくわ。最後にこの言葉を送る。得意科にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
That is the skinniest Coke I've ever seen in my life. I thought it was a can of soda or a candy bar, and I couldn't tell which it was, but it is certainly a cola can. That's so wild. That's so wild that she's so ballsy and she's like, give me every name. And he's like, and he was cooperating, and then the family's part, he was like, wait. But also, like, just the fact that he was just like, I don't care, you can take all of my dogs. That's crazy.
姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
That's crazy. Stop. Holy
安
shit.
心してください。公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。ご協力していただけるのなら。
She already knows his name. She already knows his name, dude. He's done. This is some light Yagami shit. This is some Death Note shit right now.
あなた必要ない。
Also, like, does this... I know he's in the Yakuza, so I know they have guns, and, like, that's, like, the Mafia and stuff like that. But, like, does he even have a devil? Like, he's making a barter with a devil, like, possessor. Like, come on now. Like, you can't kill a devil with a gun. So, like, I don't know. It's interesting.
必要な悪というのは常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。
公安を殺してデンジの心臓を奪う。
Oh,
その後は蛇を使えば私とお前ぐらいなら逃げれるだろう。
デンジは俺が殺す。
this man's got a
あんまり
grudge.
熱くなるなよ。
帰りたい。
帰りてえなら帰りゃいいじゃねえか。俺は特訓したからよ。あのもみあげマンぶっ殺してやるぜ。
特訓して頭も良くなったからの。
I love them.
楽勝じゃ。帰りたい。
Okay, entire special division go in. He's not going with them, though. Interesting.
隊員の特徴を説明しておく。
Oh, he already knows about the zombies? Is he a shark devil? I don't understand.
サメの魔人。
Oh, the shark fiend.
どんな場所でも泳ぐことができる。
そこのジョーちゃん、逃げた方がいいよ。
A gas mask makes him more violent. Interesting. Really interesting.
人間が噛まれ。
感触で人を殺すぞ。
Okay, she's scary, but like eerie, but like Wednesday Addams, but like okay, I'm down.
うわ、靴汚れた。こいつ最悪。
Ooh, new devil girl. Oh, who's this? She's
天使
cute.
の悪魔。
Angel devil.
こいつは特殊な悪魔で人に敵意はないが近づくな。触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな。
Wow. She's eating zombie. Okay. Interesting.
そこの君ハンカチ持ってない？
It's Aki.
ここは魔人たちに任せて。
I'm like stressed. I'm like, Aki's gonna literally gonna like live like this really horrible death, and I'm just really sad. I'm just really sad because he just doesn't care, and I'm really scared and sad. Good guess, the 4th floor. There's so many floors. How would he know? Is that blood? Oh, is he by himself? Wild. Oh, I guess he's maybe the future devil told him? Oh. Too slow. Holy shit. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Is this the doing of the future devil? Is this the doing of Makima? What's going on? Has to be the doing of Makima. Oh, she found her. But he's by himself! No! Where's Denji? Where's Power? I don't like this. Just her fingernail? Okay. Is this the spider girl? Spider spit it out? Oh, sorry. Wait, did she say spider or did she say snake? She said snake, right? Oh, snake. Yeah. Spit it out. So she spit out the spider demon? I don't know what's going on. Oh, that's Himeno's devil. Oh my god, now Ghost is fighting Aki. This is so sad. Okay, so he gets to dodge all these attacks. That's cool. I feel like this episode's gonna be like you have to fight with your friends, Aki. If you don't fight with your friends, you won't be able to win. I don't know. It's giving me these vibes. Oh no. My heart, dude. No, dude. No, dude. Dude, where is Denji? Where is Power? Khan? Future Devil? Come on. Wait, there's the future? Maybe seeing the future? I don't know, dude. That left us with like a million questions unanswered, but I'm like hoping like, I don't know, there's like a loophole like, oh, Himeno sacrificed her whole life, so technically I can't fully kill you, but I can choke you to a very severe degree. I don't know, but this is cool. Oh, that's interesting. The whole grabbing thing there. Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna pause that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, that is gonna be my episode 11, which is Mission Star. Really good stream title. Really good title for the episode because we can clearly see the mission fleshed out. We're gonna get into episode 12, Katana versus Chainsaw, which is the last episode for like, I haven't seen if the new Chainsaw Man trailer has come out. I did see the new Bleach run tells us that Bleach is coming back in July. So I feel like we're all just gonna be on that really depressed anime feeling that I'm feeling after Chainsaw Man. And Bleach are taking a little bit of a break. But all right, if you guys watched this far, please like, comment, and subscribe.